Namaskar to all. Today we will discuss about clinical assessment of low vision children. Clinical assessment refers to the assessment carried out by the trained professionals in clinical setting. In the present context, the trained professional is an ophthalmologist called as a eye specialist. Whenever parents observe any of the symptoms, they must immediately approach an ophthalmologist. The main purpose of ophthalmologic examination is to diagnose eye conditions and examine the health of the eye. Various tools are used to measure visual acuity. The most commonly used tool is Snellen chart. This chart is most commonly used chart for the measurement of distance vision and central vision. The Snellen chart used for the literate children, but E symbol chart is used illiterate or young children before school age. Young children means before school age. They don't know alphabets and everything. For them, E chart is suitable. Herman Snellen, a Dutch professor of ophthalmologist, developed this chart in 1862. Almost most of the developing countries they are using Snellen chart to assess visual acuity test. Visual acuity, we have to know clearly about visual acuity test as a special teacher. Why? Because any child comes for admission into special schools, we have to check it their medical certificate. In that medical certificate, clearly ophthalmologist will mention right eye visual acuity and left eye visual acuity separate. So based on that, we know the idea which medium is suitable for them, what type of material we have to provide for them. So for that, as a special educator, we have to know clearly about visual acuity test, then aims and objectives of visual acuity test. Understand the principles behind vision testing. So when we do vision testing, we know that where is the problem in our eye, in which part damaged. Is there any possible to decrease vision or increase vision? These all things we know through visual acuity test. And also perform an accurate visual acuity. To know the accurate, if we want to know accurate visual acuity, we have to do or we have to do means ophthalmologist only do these visual acuity test. We don't have any authority to do visual acuity test. As a special teacher, we have only functional assessment. Clinical assessment part, doctor will take care. The next definition. Visual acuity is a measurement of central vision only. Visual acuity is measurement of central vision only. So visual acuity means that is the clarity of vision or sharpness of vision. This measures central vision only. Assessment of total visual system from cornea to occipital lobe. We all know that about eye structure. Cornea is the first layer in our eye, in our human eye, and second layer is uveal tract, third layer is retina. From retina to occipital lobe we have connectivity, that is optic nerve. Whatever we see, that reach to our brain. In our brain, occipital lobe is there. Occipital lobe receive the pictures whatever we see, and it will reach to brain, and then we will think. So based on that, we are seeing, or we are involving in educational activities and other activities. So assessment of total visual system from cornea to occipital lobe. Is there is any problem in the cornea or uveal tract or retina or optical nerve? That person will become as a partially blind or totally blind. Visual acuity can be tested for both distance visual acuity and near visual acuity. Distance visual acuity is the most common test. This presentation deals only with distance vision testing. Then normal vision. What is normal vision? We all know that visual acuity is measured with the help of Snellen chart. In Snellen chart, those who are able to read last line, that last line visual acuity is 3 by 3. Earlier it was 6 by 6. As per PWD Act 6 by 6. As per RPWD Act 3 by 3 only. Now we are following World Health Organization definition in India also. That's why we have to remember normal vision acuity, visual acuity is 3 by 3 only. Normal vision relies on the following: both eyes in alignment, clear cornea. Normal vision means both eyes are alignment, clear cornea, clear lens of the eye, clear ocular media, intact retina, optic nerve and visual pathway. Then low vision child requirements or patient requirements. For doing visual acuity test, patient or child should cooperation to the visual acuity test. Cooperate to the doctors to do visual acuity test. The next point is patient comprehension of what is required. Then third point is ability to recognize images used on the various charts. Various charts means letter chart, number chart, picture chart, whatever the doctor is showing, we have to identify or recognize images with optical or without opticals. Then distance correction. It means with the help of glasses or contact lenses, distance corrections will do by the ophthalmologist. Then why do a visual acuity test? Number one, diagnostic tool. If we want to know what is the position of human eye, we have to do visual acuity test. Diagnostic tool. Which part damage? Is there any decrease or increase of vision in future? What type of medicine we have to give? Is there any chance to progress by surgery? So everything will find out through visual acuity test. The next point is baseline data. Baseline data means at present what is the severity, how much vision loss and what is the residual vision. To know that we have to do, the doctor will do visual acuity test. The next one is measures progression of disease. Few diseases as per age factor, the disease severity will increase. To know the severity of disease, the doctor will do visual acuity test. Then evaluate treatment. Evaluate treatment. When doctor will do that visual acuity test, You go through that previous medical treatment, how many times he went to hospital, what type of opticals they are using, is there any change opticals or eye drops, or that person is required surgery or not, everything, evaluation treatment. The last one is legal requirement. We all know the 40 per those who lost their vision 40%, they are called as benchmark disability. So these benchmark disabled persons, they are eligible for government benefits or legal benefits. So to measure the patient's or low vision child progress, visual acuity must be assessed at every presentation. Then this is visual test chart. Snellen chart only. The Snellen chart is used in most facilities for testing distance vision. They are designed to be read at 6 meters distance. Earlier it was 6 meters. Now from 3 meters only vision test will be doing by the doctors. Vision charts are standardized for size and contrast, and so do not photocopy or make your own. When we do visual acuity test, original card or original chart only we have to show them, not Xerox copy or own preparation chart. It's not possible. Why? Because in that chart color contrast is not there. If you do like that, that font size of the letters also will change. So that's why original chart only we have to show them, the child or patient. Then vision testing tools continuation. The Snellen chart comes as a freestanding cardboard chart or on a light box. Chart should be in good order. If using a light box, all globes must be working to ensure standard illumination. In Snellen chart, proper illumination or proper focus is essential. Without illumination or without focus, we can't do that visual acuity test. If we do also, that answer will come different. Then vision testing tools. Hundred and thousands useful test for the every young children or illiterates. Shadian Gardiner for use with children illiterate or patients, usually they are using e-chart. E-chart is suitable for young children or illiterates. For educators, Snellen chart or Ames chart is suitable for them. Then distance correction. Visual acuity is a measure of best corrected distance vision. People who are short-sighted normally wear glasses or contact lenses should have their visual acuity test wearing the glasses. That is, their vision has been corrected. After visual acuity test only, they are wearing the glasses or lenses with doctor suggestion. If glasses or contact lenses are prescribed and available, testing without them provides no relevant information. We have to test, then only it will be useful for us. Without doctor test, without visual acuity test, no use of these lenses or opticals. If glasses or contact lenses are prescribed but not available, document before testing. Then distance correction, we have to discuss another point also. Always ask if low vision child or patient have distance glasses as some people do not wear them all the time. Most of the child or most of the people, they won't keep opticals all the time. But once doctor suggested opticals, we have to use continuously. Only bedtime we have to remove and the remaining time we have to use continuously. Then only the vision should be in constant level. Otherwise gradually decrease. That person will become as a totally blind also. So reading glasses, it means that magnifiers. Reading glasses means magnifiers should not be worn during distance testing. When we do the distance test, we don't want to wear that reading glasses. Without reading glasses only, the doctor will do visual acuity test and distance vision test. Reading glasses can distort distance vision. Contact lenses should be documented but not removed for the test. So that is why check with low vision child or patient that the glasses they are wearing were prescribed from doctors. Many people borrowing glasses. Many people they himself they are using without prescription, without doctor suggestion. It's not correct. So that's why as a parent, as a teacher, we have to check it. The glasses prescriptions need to be updated regularly. So some old glasses may not correct vision adequately. At least twice, twice in a year we have to approach the doctor. Those who having low vision problem, at least twice a year definitely we are go for eye checkup. Then occlusion. Each eye needs to be tested separately. When we do that visual acuity test, when the doctor will do visual acuity test, each eye need to be tested. First right eye tested, then left eye, then both the eyes like that. So each eye need to be tested separately. The next point, use an ocular to cover the eye that is not being tested. When we are going to one doctor going to measure visual acuity, one eye completely close, then the glasses are worn, ocular goes over the top of the glasses. Then avoid pressures on the eye and be aware of patients or low vision child peeking through their fingers. Then using Snellen chart, place patient 3 meters distance from the chart. Next point, use adequate illumination. When we doctor will do visual acuity test, and use adequate illumination is required in the testing room. Then cover left eye when the right eye is testing. Then ask the patient to read from the top letter in the Snellen chart. Keep going until they cannot read the line clearly and start to make multiple errors. The previous line is the line you document. That is the visual acuity of that child. Encourage low vision child to keep going as some give up easily. Encourage low vision child to relax and blink regularly. If the 3 by 3 line is not reached, use pinholes to see if vision improves. So when 3 by 3 is not reached, use pinholes to see if vision improves. The next point, if yes, continue testing vision until the patient or low vision child is unable to clearly identify further letters or numbers. Then avoid making comments while patient is reading the chart. When medical examination is going on, avoid making comments. Then be aware the frequent presenters may memorize the chart. Use different charts if available or ask them to read it backwards. It means the same chart, don't give it to low vision child. Sometimes they will keep in mind in first line so and so letters, second line so and so letters. Without seeing also they may answer. That's why we have to change the charts. Then results expressed as a ratio recorded as x oblique y, where x is the testing distance and y refers to the line contained the smallest letter that the patient or low vision child identifies. Then documentation. Record visual acuity for each eye. Include pinhole. Its abbreviation is PH. Pinhole abbreviation is PH if used. PH, a pinhole for tunnel vision testing. Okay. If wearing glasses or contact lenses, please document. Artificial eyes need to be noted too. Example, right visual acuity 6/9, left visual acuity 6/6. With glasses, they comes under normal only. Then documentation. Next point in documentation, if the low vision child cannot see the top line of the chart, if the low vision child or patient cannot see the top line of the chart, walk patient towards the chart so they are at 3 meters. Still cannot read the chart. Ask the patient or low vision person to count how many fingers you are holding up at 1 meter distance. I think you all should understand. You all understand. Visual acuity test generally doctors will do from 3 meters. If that person is not able to recognize from 3 meters, we have to permit them from 1 meter distance. That also finger counting. Need not to read on the Snellen chart. From 1 meter distance, at least finger counting if the child will do, then we will assess how much he lost the vision. If they cannot count fingers, see if they cannot see a moving hand. If they can see moving hand, recorded as hand movements, abbreviation HM, hand movements at 1 meter. Still no result. Can they see a pen torchlight, light perception, etc. Unable to perceive light also, then NLP. It means no light perception certificate doctor will give. Then points to remember. Avoid glare in the testing room. Test each eye separately. Test with lenses or without lenses. Use a distance correction if normally worn. Use pinhole if patient does not reach 3/3 line. These are the points we have to remember. Doctor should remember when they will do visual acuity test. Even nowadays, Snellen chart is available in general school as well as special school. but without giving labeling, we can expect how much he lost. We don't have any authority to give this much a percent they lost. We don't have any authority. That will give by the ophthalmology from the government hospitals. Thank you. Thank you very much.